Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will factorize following questions. We will start from number 9. Here is x to the power 4y minus 2x cube y square. Right? Now, once we factorize, first we have to take common. So here is x to the power 4 and here is x to the power 3. We can take common x to the power 3. Here is y and here is y square, so we can take common y. So here is x and here is what? Here is minus 2x cube out, y square from y, so here is only y, and this is our answer. Okay, now number 10, x cube plus 8 divide x plus 2 equals to x square plus 2x plus 4. Is the given statement true? So first we have to factorize this one. So this one, here is x cube, we can write x to the power 3 plus here is 8, we can write 2 cube. Then here is x plus 2. So now look, this one we can write, or we can write in here, we know about a cube plus b cube. It means a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So this one we can write x plus 2, then x square plus 2x, not plus, here should minus, plus 2 square means 4, right? And here is x plus 2. So x plus 2 out. The answer will be x square minus 2x plus 4. Therefore this statement is wrong. Or is the statement true? No, it's not true. It's a false statement. The answer should be x square minus 2x plus 4. Number 11, simplify. 11 minus 3ab minus 11ab minus, and then minus 20ab, right? Then minus 14ab. So first this statement we can write minus 3ab, then minus 11ab, minus and minus plus 20ab, then minus 14ab. Okay, so what will be the answer? Here is minus 3ab minus 11, it will be 14ab, and again minus 14ab, so here is minus 28ab, and here is plus 20ab. So our right answer is minus 8ab. Okay, this is our answer. So number 11, the answer is minus 8ab. Look, my question 9, the answer was x cube y, then x minus 2y. Okay, number 11, not number 12, m plus n times m plus n times m plus n times m minus n times m minus n times m minus n. So here is saying m to the power 6 minus n to the power 6. Is it true or false? So this left hand side, look, here is m plus n and here is m minus n. So this one we can write m square minus n square. Okay, so this one and this one out. Next, here is also m plus n and here is also m minus n. This one also we can write m square minus n square. Okay, and finally here is also m plus n and m minus n. We can write m square minus n square. We can write this one also. here is m plus n, m plus n, m plus n. It means m plus n cube, and here is m minus n, m minus n, m minus n. It means m minus n cube. So it's a method first and it's a second method. Anything you can write. Now look, if we multiply everything, it means m square, m square, m square, we can write m to the power 6, right? We can write this one. Then this m square, this n square, and this m square we can write. So part by part we can complete. So first, this m square minus n square and m square minus n square, we can write m square minus n square. And look, similar thing, m square minus n square, m square minus n square, m square minus n square. It means m square minus n square whole cube, right? So this one, as per a minus b whole cube theory, we can write a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. It means m square, then cube, here is minus, so minus 3 a square b. It means m square, b means n square, plus 3ab square. 3 a means m square, b means n square, but it's a square, and minus b cube. It means n square cube, right? So this one we can write m to the power 6 minus 3 m to the power 4 times n square plus 3 m square n to the power 4 minus m n to the power 6. So we get this one. It means the statement is false. Okay, it's a false statement. What about second option? Let's check about this one. So this one and this one we can write like m cube plus 3m square plus m square n plus 3m n square plus n cube, right? And here again m square minus 3m square n plus 3m n square minus n cube. Now look, here is m cube and here is also m cube. So once we multiply, it will become like m to the power 6, and once we multiply each thing, the result will be like this, but it will become very big. So if you want, you can check, the result will come like this and the statement should false. Okay, so number 12 done. Now number 13, here is 4x cube plus, we can write this one in here, or next page we can write. So here is 4x cube, it's a number 13, 4x cube plus 2x minus 11, and we will divide by what? 2x square. So what can we do about this one? Look, here is 4, the coefficient of x cube, and here the constant 11, so it will become 44. 11 times 4 is a 44. So this one, once we divide by 2, here is 22. Again divide by 2, here is 11, right? So this one we cannot make middle term, but we can do like this. Here is 4x cube, divide 2x square, plus 2x divide to x square minus 11 divide to x square. So look, 4 divide 2, here is a 2, and x cube divide x square, it will be 2x, and 2 out, x divide x square, it means 1 by x, minus this one is 11 by 2 x square. Okay, so this one is clear. Number 14. A cube plus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc divide a plus b minus c. Against this numerator we can write a plus b minus c, then a square plus b square plus c square, then minus ab, then plus bc plus ca divide a plus b minus c. So this one and this one out, so our answer is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, hope you clear this one. Number 15. So this one we just simplify. Ax square y, ax square y, axy square, a square xy, 2axy. So first we have to find out what is the common thing. Everywhere is a, x and y, so the smallest thing is axy, so we can write axy. So here is a out, x square from x square, x out, so here is x and y out, plus from here ax out, y square, y out, so only y, plus here is xy out, from a square, a out, so only a, plus axy out, so here is only 2, and this is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. This kinds of math is very important for competitive examination, especially IIT and also Math Olympiad. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned to learn lots of things from this channel, Home of Math. Thank you.